guys, welcome to my channel Rowdy Education. So today we will learn about maps, advantages of map over globe, types of map and reading a map. Okay, map word is originated from Latin word mappa, which means cloth or sheet. So what is map? Map is a 2D representation of the earth. Map is flat representation of a small or large area of the earth. So as I told you, what is map? So what is the use of map? The uses of map are pictures of the earth's surface such as landforms, boundaries and position of cities, rivers, road, etc. So, what is the study of map and making is called? The study of map and making of map is called the cartography. Someone who makes map is called a cartographer. So, what is a book of map called? A book of map is called a atlas. As you can see the picture on your screen, this is the English atlas. And this picture on your screen is the Hindi atlas. So do you know the Atlas naming mountain is also there? So it is in Africa in Morocco. This is the Atlas mountain. तो अब हम जानेंगे कि मैप और ग्लोब के बीच में क्या डिफरेंस है. So as you can see a globe on your screen, it is a round shape. So the entire surface cannot be seen at a time. A globe gives a 3D presentation of the entire earth. So a map gives a 2D presentation and shows flat and entire surface of the earth. So the next difference is a map is easy to use and portable, whereas a globe is not. We cannot carry a globe to the places. Okay? So the next difference is a globe is round in shape, so the entire surface cannot be seen at a time. Only a part can be seen at a time on a globe, whereas a map view can the entire surface of the earth at a time. The limitations of map is a map cannot show the actual shape of the earth, but a globe can show a actual shape of the earth. So the shape of the earth is not circle. It is oblate spheroid or geode. It means the pole part of the earth is flat and the middle part of the earth is round. The pole part is flat means oblate and the round part is called the spheroid. That's why the earth shape is called the oblate spheroid. So this is the shape of the earth. The pole part is flat and the middle part is round. Okay, now we will detail study about the maps. The maps are classified into three parts: political map, physical map and thematic map. So now we will detail study about the political map. A political map defines the country boundary of countries, states, provinces and cities, etc. Now the physical map. The physical map shows the landforms and water bodies like mountains, valleys, deserts, etc. Now the third and last type of map is thematic map. It is made on a particular theme such as population, mineral, climate, crops, rainfall, etc. Okay friends, now I will tell you the 5 main features of map that help us to find the places on a map. So the first feature is title. This is the title. It shows the subject of map. The second number is direction. Okay friends, so there are 4 main direction and 4 subdirection. The 4 main directions are north, south, west and east, and the 4 subdirection are northwest between the north and west, northeast between the north and east, southeast between the south and east, southwest between the south and west. तो आप देख सकते हैं कि हमारे कंट्री में नॉर्थ यहाँ है, साउथ यहाँ है, वेस्ट यहाँ है और ईस्ट यहाँ है. तो क्या आप जानते हैं कि हमारा स्टेट यूपी कहाँ किस डायरेक्शन में है? तो यूपी नॉर्थ में है और राजस्थान नॉर्थ वेस्ट में है. तो अब मैं आपसे एक क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ. तो मरीनर्स पुराने टाइम में किन चीज़ों को डायरेक्शन पता लगाने के लिए यूज़ करते थे? तो अब हम इसी के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे. तो पुराने ज़माने में मरीनर्स मून को देख के अपनी राह पता लगाते थे और ध्रुव तारा जिसे कि हम इंग्लिश में द नॉर्दर्न स्टार बोलते हैं. फिर आगे चलते चलते कंपास आया और टुडे वी आर यूजिंग द GPS सिस्टम विच मीन्स ग्लोबल पोजिशनिंग सिस्टम which works on satellite. So the next feature is legend, which means sign and symbols. Map has sign and symbols to explain particular objects like peak, airport, capitals and etc. As you can see the symbols on your screen. These are the different symbols of the different places to locate on the map. So as you can see the map on your screen, these are the legends which help us to locate a place on a map. So the next feature is scale. Scale. The distance between any two cities would be in kilometers, but the actual size cannot be shown in the map. This problem we use a scale. So what is scale? The ratio between the actual distance and the distance shown on the map is called the scale. इसका मतलब है एक्चुअल डिस्टेंस का और जो मैप के बीच में डिस्टेंस है इसके बीच का रेशियो होता है स्केल एक तरह से. ओके, तो अब हम इस स्केल का देखेंगे. इस स्केल में 1 किलोमीटर मीन्स 1 सेंटीमीटर है. अब रेशियो में ज़रूरी होता है दोनों की यूनिट सेम करना. अब हम किलोमीटर को सेंटीमीटर में लाएंगे. तो 1 किलोमीटर इक्वल्स टू 1 लाख सेंटीमीटर. Therefore 1 ratio 1 lakh centimeter. So the last feature is color on a map. Map shows different features using different color. Map में different color use किए जाते हैं अलग अलग features को दिखाने के लिए. Some common colors used in map are blue used for water bodies, dark blue for deep water and light blue for shallow water, brown for mountain region, green for plains and lowlands and yellow for plateau region. तो अंत में मैं आपसे एक सवाल पूछूंगा कि दुनिया के सबसे पुराने मैप का नाम क्या था? सोचो. दुनिया के सबसे पुराने मैप का नाम था इमागो मुंडी, जिसे हम बेबीलोनियन मैप के नाम से भी जानते हैं और यह 600 BC में बना था. कांट बिलीव 600 BC में. तो फ्रेंड्स, आजकल के ज़माने में मैप में GIS का बहुत यूज़ होता है. GIS एक कंप्यूटर बेस्ड सैटेलाइट टेक्नोलॉजी है जिसकी फुल फॉर्म है ज्योग्राफिकली इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम, जो हमें मैप के डेटा को एनालिसिस करने में बहुत हेल्प करती है. तो फ्रेंड्स, नाउ आई एम एंडिंग दिस टॉपिक नाउ. if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And if you have any query, you can ask in comment section. Goodbye.